Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. It's January 1st, 2018. Happy New Year to everyone. It's been one hell of a 2017 for me. Been to a lot of places. Had enjoyed quite a few bike rides. Did a lot of things with my friends. Met a lot of old friends. And it's been one hell of a ride. And I'm eagerly looking forward to 2018. There is a huge ride coming up in 2 weeks and a lot more things planned for this year. In fact, I got new tires on my bike for this coming ride, and also if you have seen my earlier videos you would have known that my tires have worn out. But if you haven't seen my earlier videos, I request you to subscribe and hit the like button for this video, and also the bell icon besides the subscribe button, and that would make me really happy. Nothing like a New Year's gift, right? So let's see the new tires. So these are dual compound Avon Storm 3D XM tires. These are the third certified tires for the Triumph Street Win. The other ones are Pirelli Phantoms and Pirelli Scorpion Trail 2s, which come for the Tiger. But I just wanted to try something new before going back to the stock. I still have the old set with me. So far I've ridden only 30-40 kilometers on these, and they've been holding up well. Nothing majorly different so far, which is a good sign when you're comparing it to stock. I would know more only when I'm doing more rides, and especially I want to see how the cornering grip is on these tires since are these dual compound. So when I say dual compound tires, what I exactly mean is this part is a hard compound in the sense that it will last longer, it's more durable. This section and this section are soft compound, so they warm up faster and the grip levels are higher. At least that's what on the paper. So let me see how they hold up on the upcoming ride, and hopefully they are much better than the Phantoms. If they are, I would be more than happy, since I got these for half the price, and would be a great upgrade for any other Triumph Street Win owner. So let's see how that goes. Let me quickly show you the tread pattern on these tires. So there is nothing fancy about the tread pattern. It's a very contemporary, simple, understated design. Unlike the Phantoms, which have a retro theme to it. I like the tread pattern on the Phantoms, but this is much more simpler. Let me also show you the front tire tread pattern quickly. Similar to rear, this is very simple, understated, nothing fancy like the Phantoms. One thing I noticed was the grip level seems to be much more sharper when you're turning, but that could be more due to the fact that these are new tires. I would only know once I ride them for a while, and I think that should happen by the end of Jan, when I would finish almost a 6-day trip across the north part of India. And I'm more excited for that. Let's see how that goes. And next video is gonna be about the add-ons or the accessories that I fitted on this bike. I've been doing some research and also ways to make it more fun, not just showing you all the parts ABC and listing them out. So it's gonna take a little time, guys, but trust me, it's gonna be great. So if you want to know more, or if you're eager to wait, so just subscribe and hit the bell icon to get that notification whenever I put that up. Okay, and that's it, guys. Enjoy the new year, make the best out of it, and I hope everything good happens to you all. Bye bye. How about a quick recap of 2017, guys? Would you like to see that? How my 2017 was? Quick flash.